Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make dashi with small paper. Dashi is a cornerstone of Japanese cuisine, providing a rich umami base for countless dishes. While traditional methods can be time-consuming, using dashi packs, often resembling small paper sachets, offers a fantastic shortcut. This approach allows you to enjoy fresh, flavorful dashi in just minutes, making it perfect for busy weeknights or when you need a quick culinary boost. Let's dive into the simple steps. To begin, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need one dashi pack, which is essentially a small paper sachet filled with dried bonito flakes, kombu, or a blend of ingredients. For every dashi pack, prepare about 2 cups or 500 milliliters of cold water. Using cold water is crucial as it helps to slowly extract the delicate flavors from the dashi pack, resulting in a clearer and more nuanced broth. Now, let's brew our dashi. Place the dashi pack directly into a pot with your measured cold water. Turn the heat to medium and slowly bring the water to a gentle simmer. Avoid a rolling boil, as this can make the dashi cloudy and extract bitter notes. Once simmering, let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. After this time, carefully remove the dashi pack, squeezing it gently to extract any remaining liquid. Your delicious, homemade dashi is now ready to elevate your cooking. Use it immediately as the flavorful base for classic miso soup, a comforting noodle broth, or various Japanese sauces. If you have any leftover, simply store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For longer storage, you can freeze it in ice cube trays. This versatile broth is a true culinary secret weapon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.